The X21 is a high-end device and will compete against the OnePlus 6 and, in some cases, even with the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the iPhone X. While the price is not as high as that of other premium counterparts, the device includes a lot of ingenious features such as an edge-to-edge screen, first-class design and, most unique of all, a fingerprint scanner below the screen. The front of the phone feels very identical to the iPhone X thanks to the notch and the high screen body ratio. It has a 6.28-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1080 x 2280 pixels. It also has infrared sensors that trace its facial features in 3D and offers Face Weight 2.0 for authentication. This is a step above the facial unlocking and is on par with the Apple Face ID. In terms of hardware, the phone works with a Snapdragon 660 processor along with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. A microSD card slot is also available for expansion. On the back there is a dual-camera configuration consisting of a 12-megapixel primary sensor and a 5-megapixel secondary sensor, while the front has a 12-megapixel self-timer. The device is backed by a 3200 mAh battery while the software is Vivo's customized FunTouch OS based on Android 8.0 Oreo.